All right, let's go YouTube. Let me get this YouTube video out before I gotta go. But as you can tell, we are on the combines now. Unfortunately, we did lose the 3 XFAs that we had. Yeah, so I ended up so yeah, obviously we had like $300 left on 2 of them and 800 on one of them. I really should have lost 800, but it is what it is. I ended up getting the two 300 ones to 500, and then they ended up I ended up trying to long NQ Sunday night when the whole market was just the whole market there was just really bearish. When I was already trading gold at the time, so I just stuck long in gold because Sunday night gold just longed like ridiculously. As you can tell from here, we just end up shooting up freaking a lot more. But it is what it is. I'm not tripping about it. So I ended up having those two. At the time I had like two combines copy traded. I ended up losing like 1,000 that night as well, or the day. So yesterday, I believe. I don't know, but no, it was like the same night, or whatever. So yeah, these accounts. I ended up making like 600 last night, and they're about almost recovered. And I ended up getting a new account. So this is up 675 right now, and we ended up taking like 3 trades yesterday night. A lot more than I would like to, but I just had a lot of conviction in the play I saw, so that's why I took more than 2 trades. Then I did take another trade early in the morning on ES, which I'll show y'all. But yeah, so I'll break these trades down. So this one was a break even. Normally I go for 1 to 2s, but I was really aiming for each account to be up 1,000. But I ended up drawing out this hourly supply here that I saw. And also, ultimately, I should have probably just trailed my stop loss here pretty strongly, but I just got out for break even. And from there, we ended up shifting structure. So I saw, all right, more than likely here, now price is probably going to be looking to go short. And when we opened up at 6 o'clock, we had this, what's it called? The open here didn't have a wick, so that was a really good draw in liquidity, plus this higher low right here, and as well as these lows right here as well. But ultimately, these two were my targets. So initially, as price impulse down here, we shifted, ended up correcting. So I was looking for the impulse to take us lower. Price got below the MAs here. Honestly, I should have just waited a little bit longer. I should have waited here to maybe go short down at these lows right here. But I ended up closing the trade out once we got this push up here. Let me make this out. Once we got this candle push up here, after this candle closed and pushed up high right here, I ended up closing it manually. So I didn't take a full loss here. I think this loss was about like 150, something like that, 170. I can't remember. I'll show y'all the stats in a bit. Then once I saw that price didn't even push any higher, we just swept the high here. I was pretty confident that all right, this is more than likely going to be the time that we push down here. So we ended up impulsing, correcting here, ended up taking the breakout on this low right here. We got in, started bouncing around. I honestly thought this candle right here was gonna take us out because it got pretty volatile around 12 o'clock, especially at 12:10. Saw a lot of I was watching it, saw a lot of volatility come in, but ultimately we came down and ended up pushing. This ended up pushing down, and this was originally going to be my target, but we ended up hessing the low, bouncing, and then as we corrected and was looking to push lower, I saw the amount of speed that we are coming down with, so I extended my stop or my take profit down to this low, the 6 p.m. open, and I saw that as a better draw, which we did end up hitting, and that was like that net us around like $800. Then on ES, I ended up staying up late all night, and I had some draws, not some draws, but I had some like I guess draws or whatever, or some like levels that I thought price would bounce at. And around what's it called? This 5 a.m. open is when I saw that price was reacting to the level pretty well. And once price closed 6 a.m. I came in. We ended up getting into the trade, and my draw here was London high over here. And ultimately, we did push up. I was able to break even, but price ended up coming back down and stopping us up for break even. And from there, ultimately, I was so tired. I couldn't stay up any longer, so I just went to bed. And I woke up around like I think 12 o'clock or 11:30 and saw that the move that I wanted happened later on during the days where we ended up sweeping out these lows down here and ended up delivering to the target I wanted to see later in the day. So those are the trades that I did end up taking today. Uh, as far as the price action, it's pretty volatile. I'm not gonna lie, so I'll probably take it real slow this week. I'm not looking to pass these accounts or looking to rush these accounts. But yeah, that's really it. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Like I'll show you the stats right now for the follower count. These are down at least 200 right now, 50%. But yeah, this is what the accounts look like for at least for these two, and then for the leader, this account is pretty much fresh, so nothing much there. But yeah, we'll see what we can do with these accounts this week. It is NFP week, so I likely will not be trading on Friday. So I have either tonight, I have Wednesday and maybe Thursday if I want to trade Thursday, but we'll see. But yeah, that's really it. Nothing much to say. We'll see if we get some pretty decent price action tonight. If not, I'll be chilling. But yeah, I'll see you guys.